Hi friend, hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Estimation. Today we will discuss about tender pricing analysis based on the given the client method of measurements. Suppose this is the project or this is the expansion of refinery project. Part of the here this is the client is going to expanding one refinery. So part of that they have given the BOQs, civil works and building works separate two BOQs. This is the civil BOQ. Then this is the building BOQ. After receiving the BOQ, in the BOQ you see carefully, you see each and every item they have given one code. That code, for that code they have given each and every item method of measurements, how they are going to measure, how they are going to pay the amount for that particular activity to the contractor. That is main important. So after receiving the BOQ, we want to while doing the pricing also, we want to carefully read these items, whatever the item is there for that particular item, go to the client method of measurements and check how they are going to measuring, what is included, what is not included. But this they have given the complete document, but I have not shown this document, that is as a part of confidential. I have taken only few items and extracted and kept here for our explanation purpose. Okay, after giving the BOQ, we want to make like this unit rate. We want to split into unit rate, each unit rate, what is the material component, what is the labor component, what is the plant and machinery component, what is the subcontracting component, total. Then the total unit price. So this quantity multiplied by this unit rate factor, we will get the total rate. So finally, at the end of the BOQ, we will get total price. I will show to you that one. You can understand. Then we will go to the. This is the total BOQ price for the direct price. This is only direct price, not indirect cost. This is the direct cost. 212,367,989. For that breakup also, material 160,056,556 and labor 28,365,336 and plant 17,660,784,000 and subcontractor 5,285,313. Total is 212,367,989. It is matched. It is matched. Now I will explain one item. For example, one item, take any one that is the limited section excavation by machine. Limited excavation by machine. I will explain in detail one item only. So otherwise, video will go more lengthy. What is the BOQ description number? Main heading is AA02B. AA02B, that is the limited section excavation. Limited section excavation by machine. 002BA by machine and 002BA01 limited section excavation by machine down to a depth of 2 meters in soil type A. Normal to strong consistency, that is the soil type, depth is 2 meters. 2 meters here, 0 to 2 meters, and here 2 to 4 meters, and this is beyond 4 meters. Okay. Here, how you can say how we can say earthwork. Earthwork is say 22. From where we got this one? See here 17 AED and multiplied by 1.3 factor, it is coming 22. I will tell you why 1.3 we multiplied that one. The first 1.17 how it will come, we will see. This is the total excavation quantity from the BOQ. See C34, C36, C37, different items. So total earthwork quantity is 186,428 cubic meter. Then this is the machine excavation for the foundations. So excavator 100% we need to consider. So that is excavator productivity is 150 cubic meter per day. See, for this I already told previous videos. If you see my videos, in that you can get how to calculate the excavator productivity based on the our job conditions and site conditions, where we are doing, how much restricted area, like that. So don't take whatever we are showing here. You as a estimator, you can apply the logic after seeing the drawings and how much restriction, what are the conditions, site condition, soil type, then apply your logics and consider the productivity. Suppose here, based on these conditions, 150 cubic meter we have taken, and a shovel 300 mm thick, shovel 100% it is required, that we have taken 300 cubic meter per day. And then a dumper, disposal purpose, what is the disposal distance, 5 kilometer, then what will be the capacity of the dumper size, based on that we have taken the productivity 200 cubic meter. Then this is the per day output, then multiplied by that 126 we will get the per month output. Then we will calculate the how many equipment months are required. This is the total quantity is 186,428, per month is 3,900. So how many equipment months required? So total quantity divided by the per month quantity. These are the equipment months. So 48 equipment months are required. Suppose 8 months, 6 months duration is there for this. So if you, how many wants to put 8 months duration, 6 months duration divided by 6. So almost 8 numbers of the excavator we need to engage per month. Like that duration is 6 months, so total 48 months. That's why don't confuse, this is the only 48 is the equipment months. Like that shovel 24 months, like that dumper 36 equipment months. These are the equipment hire rates per month. Now we are in UAE, we are explaining about the UAE. So we consider the AED dirham. Suppose where you are working, in which country you are working, you use that currency. So multiplied by that equipment month rate per month, you will get, see, this is equipment months, equipment per month, this is the rate. So total is the excavator amount is 1,338,461. Similarly shovel, similarly dumper. So total is 3,131,042 AED. So what will be the per cubic meter cost divided by the total 186,428 cubic meter. So per cubic meter it is coming 17. Then why we multiplied by 22 1.3% here? That's why I told initially, we read the BOQ measurements, they are not going to giving any allowance. Suppose say A into B, how they are going to measuring? A is 4 meter, say dimensions 4 by 3 into 2, only that blinding dimension only they are going to giving, but they are not going any working allowance. But practically it is not possible. For the foundations, for the keeping the farm work and for the working allowance, we want to consider 300 mm both sides, this side and that side. For example, if you see here, I will show how much it is coming, how much percentage it is coming. Based on the MOM, based on the, as per method of measurement, 4 into 3, 2 meters, 24 cubic meter. As per the actual quantity, we need to add for 4 meter 0.3 into 2, whereas the 3 meter side also 3 plus 0.3 into 2. So 3.6 into 4.6 multiplied by 2, 33.12. How much percentage it is increased? 38%. So maybe sometimes if it is bigger sizes, if it is large volume foundation, it will come 25% also. So that's why on average we have taken 30%. So that's why we multiplied by 30%. Then what is the labor component? This is the plant labor component. Labor component is machine excavation only for the trimming purpose, not major excavation. This also how we will calculate. See here, earthwork excavation by machine, soil less than 2 meters. This is the total quantity. One person can do 75 cubic meter, means for 75 cubic meter machine excavation we will engage one helper to do the sides of the trimming. So based on the productivity hours, then rate, skilled and unskilled, we will get the rate, that is sides for trimming purpose. This is 1.51 per cubic meter, like that. So in the excavation there is no material, 0, there is no subcontractor. So total item is 23. The 23 is forward to here. So this is the total quantity, this is the total unit rate, total amount is 2,951,620. For this bifurcation, what is the labor, what is the machine? Say quantity multiplied by the labor component, we will get labor component 198,725, whereas the equipment 2,760,895. Total is 2,951,620. See here total amount also 2,951,620, like that. Suppose it is 2 to 4 meter depth limited excavation by machine to a depth of including dewatering. So that is same 1.3. Then this is 2 to 4 meter. So if it is 2 to 4 meter, we need to consider the side slopes also. That's why we consider 1.5 times. That is based on the type of soil and soil investigation recommendations. Then 4 to 6 meter. That's why we have taken here 1.65 times more than the how they are going to measuring the method of measurements, like that. Like that we have to consider. Then I will tell one more item, one more activity. Suppose reinforcementing steel. How we want to consider? This is the total reinforcementing steel BOQ quantity, almost 2,263 metric tons. Here kg as given. So 2,263,470 kgs. See here how we have taken the reinforcementing price. See what is the 3% normally wastage we have taken. This is the price per ton. Then binding wire 12 kgs, binding wire rate 5 kg per 5 AED per kg. Then the cover blocks 15 to 20 pieces are required. So 1 meter, so 1 cubic meter is required 35 numbers. Total is 2,207 per metric ton, or 2.21 per kg. That's why we have taken 2.21 per kg. Similarly, manpower. Manpower also see here, manpower total quantity is this much. One steel fixer, one helper can do 250 kg. So based on that productivity, we will get 1.04 AED per kg. That's what we have taken, 1.04. Total is this much, 3.25. Total rate, quantity multiplied by rate, we will get almost 7,348,335. Like that, each and every item we will do, each and every activity we will do. Suppose here, see landscaping, that is we are not going, our company is not going to buy in-house, so we want to give the but external service. Like that, those activities will come under subcontracting activities. Like this, each and every total BOQ items we need to consider. Then we need to arrive the total. Then what will be the, make it a summary for the civil works: material, manpower, plant and machinery, subcontracting, total. See total 212 million is the material, manpower, plant and machinery, subcontract, and total. Similarly, architecture, building works also. What is the total? What is the total amount? 76,371,266. See 76,371,266. Breakup. What is the material? See 56,885,000. 56,885. Manpower 988. Manpower 9,889,000. Plant 644,000. 644,000. Subcontract 896. 896 means 8,960,000. Total 76,371. Like that we need to calculate. Then we need to give the breakup of the for that material also. So total material is 217,942,145. Here you see here what is the total material breakup: concrete, blinding, structural concrete, paving concrete, what is the quantity, what is the rate, how much we consider wastage, like that to give the breakup for the our management review. This is the total C 161 for the civil works, 161,056, 160,046. Similarly for the building works also, see building works also, whatever the material is there, total 56,885,000, 56,885,000. Manpower also, total from this manpower, total like this, total after arriving we need to get the like this. Then plant and machinery also, okay. Earlier we discussed only excavation only, then excavation for the foundations, this is for the open excavation. Open excavation maybe restrictions will be less, that's why see here productivity taken, excavation productivity 150 per cubic meter, here we have taken 200 cubic meter per day based on the conditions, that's why I told. Then this is backfilling, backfilling with excavated soil, backfilling with the brought out soil. So finally we arrived 97 equipment months we required, 144 months equipment months shovel, 184 equipment months dumper, 11 equipment months roller, 59 equipment months for dumper. This we need to again spread it in our sheet. So work will start from 5th month onwards, 32 months work will go. This is the total project duration is almost 48 months. So civil works will complete up to 32 months only. Then thereafter mechanical works and electrical instrumentation works. So that's why we distributed like this civil equipment. See, to match that one only, excavators 97 months. From where, based on this calculation, 97, 144 shovel, see 144 shovel, roller 11, dumper 184, bobcat 59, So then this is only for the bifurcation only. Then take same rents, same rates, 13,570,000. Here also equipment cost same 13,586,000, like that. I think like this we have to calculate. I think hope everybody understood. Thank you very much.